In this video, I will show you how to make a graph on Excel. So firstly guys, you need some data. So select your data, insert, and here guys, you will see this chart options. You can create any type of chart or graph like bar graph. Select it, and select any style. And firstly guys, you need make sure select your data completely, insert, and select any type of graph, histogram. So select firstly your data, then insert and select any type of chart. You can change style, color and whatever you need. There are so many options. You can change color combination, and also you can change this graph, line graph. Histogram, pie chart, and bar graph. So this is the video guys to learn how to create graph in Microsoft Excel. Just you need your data and select your data and insert and select any type of graph from this list. So thanks for watching.